Welcome to our Niagara Falls tours, offering thrilling adventures, serene cruises, and luxurious experiences. Whether you seek excitement or relaxation, we have the perfect journey for you. Experience the power of Niagara Falls with thrilling boat tours, fireworks cruises, and exciting jet rides. Whether you prefer to stay dry or enjoy a splash of adventure, explore the iconic journey behind the falls with options like combining it with Skylon Tower, a walking tour, a power station visit, or a thrilling boat ride. For a bird's-eye view of the falls, our Niagara Falls Canada helicopter tour offers an unforgettable perspective. Soar above the falls and capture the grandeur of Niagara like never before. We offer Niagara Falls day, evening, and luxury private tours from the Greater Toronto area, providing flexible, stylish travel for daytime adventures or magical evening experiences. Your adventure starts with a luxury pickup, thrilling voyage to the Falls cruise, exploring Niagara Falls, Clifton Hill, scenic spots, a winery tour, Skylon Tower dining, and ends with a seamless drop-off. Experience the excitement, beauty, and luxury of Niagara Falls with our unforgettable tours. Join us for a day to remember. Like, share, and subscribe for more adventures. Happy travels!